Now we'll advance to the physics of particular individuality, where matter's qualitative dimension gets deepened. Here, bodies are able to be distinguished from one another, which is a prerequisite of individuality. There are 4 qualities which allow for this distinguishing and individuation, and which concern the way a body's parts are related. The 4 qualities are: 1, specific gravity or density, which is a characteristic of every body on the earth. For example, gold is 19 times heavier than water. It's 19 times as dense as water. 2, cohesion. Cohesion concerns the way a body's parts are connected, which is revealed when the body is struck. Bodies are thus brittle, malleable, ductile, and so forth. 3 and 4, sound and heat, which both deal with the negation of the parts of a body. Sound is an ideal negation of a body because the negation, the simultaneous vibration of all the parts, is temporary. Heat, on the other hand, is a real negation of the body and its parts or qualities because the body is utterly destroyed by heat. Sound and heat are an anticipation of the ideality or idealism which first occurs in chemism and gets completed in life. In life, where all the parts of an organism are members, are ideal and not real, as they continually negate themselves as independent entities for the sake of the whole organism and its self-preservation. With respect to sound, Hegel devotes many fascinating pages to the relation between harmony and numerical ratios. I wish to quote just a sampling of his profound understanding. Quote, "Since tones are a mode of our sensation, they are for us either pleasant or unpleasant. This objective mode of harmony is a determinacy which enters into this mechanical sphere. What is most interesting here is the coincidence between what the ear finds harmonious and numerical ratios. It was Pythagoras who first discovered this coincidence, and this induced him to express determinations of thought, too, in the form of numbers. Harmony is based on the ease of concords, and is the felt unity in difference, the concept, unity of opposites, like symmetry in architecture. But can harmony and melody, which so enchant us, appealing to our feelings and passions, depend on abstract numbers, you may ask? This seems remarkable, astonishing even. But only this determination is present, and we may see in it a transfiguration of numerical ratios. The simpler ratios which form the ideal basis of harmony are those which are more readily grasped, and these are primarily those based on the number 2. Okay? This is the basis for the piano's construction, guitar, all the instruments. As Hegel says, half of the string vibrates to the upper octave of the note of the whole string, which is the fundamental. If the lengths of 2 strings are in the ratio of 2 to 3, or if the shorter is 2/3 the length of the other, and therefore performs 3 vibrations in the same time as the other performs 2, then the shorter gives out the 5th of the longer string.